Standard first. Subject English. We want rain. A dark cloud was in the sky. The peacock said, "Please rain, I want to dance." The fish said, "Please rain, I want more water." The farmer said, "Please rain, I want to sow the seeds." Raju said, "Please rain, I want to sail paper boats." The cloud rained in a shower. The peacock danced. The fish swam merrily. The farmer started planting. Splash, splash, splash. Raju and his friends enjoyed sailing paper boats and had a wonderful time in the puddle. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. It moved on. All the children waved goodbye.